Copy these notes from the board.
Okay. I can't read that. What does that say? It says homework is page 24.
Lily, you're copying it wrong.
Sorry, I thought it said. Why can't I see what everyone else sees?
Lily, can you see the board okay?
Not really.
I'm sending a note home to your parents.
Am I in trouble? I keep getting headaches too. Teacher sent this note.
She thinks you need your eyes checked. We need to make an eye doctor appointment.
I'll call tomorrow.
What if something is really wrong?
Then we'll fix it. Hi, Lily. I'm Dr. Martinez. Hi. Let's check your vision. Read the top line for me.
E. Is that a P or R?
Try the next line.
I can't read any of them.
That's okay. That's what I'm here for. Now look through this.
Wow, I can see.
You're nearsighted, Lily. What does that mean? You can see things up close fine, but far away things are blurry. Lily needs glasses.
Glasses? No! I don't want to wear glasses.
Sweetie, they'll help you see.
I don't want to go in.
Come on, let's just look. We have so many cute frames.
I don't care. I look stupid. You look beautiful. These are too big.
Try these pink ones.
Everyone will make fun of me.
No, they won't, sweetie.
Can I just not wear them?
You need to see, honey. What about these sparkly ones?
Sparkly?
These are kind of pretty.
They're perfect on you.
But I still don't want glasses. They make you look smart. Glasses will be ready in 1 week.
Let me Google kids with glasses. Some kids look good in glasses. Your glasses are cute. Thanks, I love them.
Time to pick up your glasses. Already?
What if I look terrible?
You won't, and you'll see so much better. Here they are. Let's try them on.
What? I can see everything. The world is so clear. I can read that sign from here.
Amazing, right?
Do I look okay?
You look beautiful. The sparkles really suit you. Thanks.
I can see the license plates now.
That's wonderful.
But tomorrow is school.
I know, sweetie.
Let me see your glasses.
Here.
You look so smart and pretty.
Really?
B.
Do I have to wear them?
Yes, sweetie, you need to see.
What if everyone laughs?
They won't, I promise.
Can I take them off?
Be brave, Lily. You can do this.
Everyone is staring. Lily, I I love your glasses. Really?
Your glasses are so sparkly.
They're pretty. I can see the board.
That's wonderful, Lily.
This is so much easier. I want glasses like yours. You do? No one made fun of me.
I told you.
Everyone said they're cute. I was so worried about my glasses.
But you needed them.
I know that now.
Being healthy is more important than looks.
I look fine anyway. I got all the answers right.
Your glasses are helping.
I love them now. I got all the answers right.
Your glasses are helping.
I love them now. Like and subscribe. Do you wear glasses? Share your story.
Busy day today. Up, kids.
Where are we going?
School, dentist, then grocery store.
My mouth feels weird.
The numbing will wear off soon.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Just one more stop. Please be good in the store.
Can we get a treat?
If you're good, maybe a treat.
Yeah!
Stay close to me, okay?
Tom, don't touch. But I want to see.
Lily, stay where I can see you.
Okay, Mom. Can I push the car? Not today, buddy.
Tom, walk, don't run. Tom, I told you to walk.
Don't worry, ma'am. Accidents happen. I'm so sorry.
Mom, my feet hurt.
We're almost done.
Stop touching me! What? You're in my way.
Kids, please, just a few more minutes.
Mom, look, candy aisle.
Tom, no, keep moving.
Can I have this candy?
Not today, Tom.
But you said maybe a treat.
I said if you're good.
I'm good.
You knocked over the display.
That was an accident.
Tom, we're leaving this aisle.
I want candy.
Tom, use your inside voice.
I want it now. Mom, everyone is looking.
I know. Tom, you need to stop this now. I can't do this. I'm so tired.
Control your kids.
Honey, can I help you? I don't know. Young man, your mama needs you. See, your mama is crying. I've been there, dear. Thank you so much. Raising kids is hard work. Some days are harder than others. Let me help you finish. You don't have to. I want to. Can you two help get items?
Yes.
You're doing great, Mama. it doesn't feel like it. I'd like to pay for her groceries. What? No! I can't let you do that. Someone helped me once. That was a hard day.
We're sorry, Mom. I shouldn't have thrown a tantrum.
And I shouldn't have cried in the store. We all have bad days,
Even grown-ups?
especially grown-ups sometimes.
That lady was so nice.
She really was.
Why did she pay for our food?
Because kindness helps people.
Can we be kind like her?
That's a wonderful idea.
How was your day?
Hard.
But people are good.
A lady helped us today!
She did? Tell me about it. It fell apart in the store.
You're human. It's okay. Tomorrow will be better.
Together!
I learned tantrums are bad.
And I learned to ask for help. We all have hard days.
But kindness helps.
We all have hard days. But kindness helps.
Parents need help too.
Yes, we do.
We'll be kinder, Mom. Thank you, babies.
Can I help you? Thank you. That would be wonderful.
Like and subscribe. Parents, you're doing great. Share your hard parenting moment.